Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Wispr Flow at startup. If Wispr Flow keeps opening automatically when your computer starts and you want to stop that behavior, this process is straightforward. We'll first turn off the setting inside the app itself, and then we'll also disable it from Windows Startup settings to make sure the change fully takes effect. Begin by opening the Wispr Flow app. Make sure the application is fully visible on your screen before moving on, since the settings you need are inside the app. Once the app is open, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click on Settings. This is where Wispr Flow stores its app preferences and startup behavior options. After that, click on System. In this section, you'll find settings related to how the app behaves with your computer, including whether it launches automatically when you sign in. Now turn off the option labeled Launch App at Login. Disabling this setting tells Wispr Flow not to start automatically from within the application itself. This is an important first step, because it removes the app's own startup instruction. Next, open Task Manager on your computer. This gives you access to Windows startup controls, which can be useful if an app is still set to run when your system starts. Inside Task Manager, click on Startup. Depending on your version of Windows, this may appear as a Startup tab or a Startup Apps section. This area shows all the programs that are allowed to launch when you log in. Now look through the list for Wispr Flow. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct app name before making any changes. When you find Wispr Flow, right-click on it to open the context menu. This menu gives you quick actions for managing the startup status of the application. From there, click Disable. This prevents Wispr Flow from launching automatically through Windows Startup Management. Combined with turning off the launch setting inside the app, this should fully stop the app from opening at startup. After completing these changes, it's a good idea to restart your computer and confirm that Wispr Flow no longer opens on its own. If it stays closed after login, the fix was successful. That's all you need to do to fix Wispr Flow at startup. Thanks for following along.